So you're looking for an intake for your car. There are cheaper ones, there are more expensive ones. What's the difference? The main difference you see between those prices is generally going to be open intakes versus closed air intakes. Open intakes are basically a tube, some heat shielding, the filter. It's in the engine bay. It is going to get some heat from the engine, especially when the hood's closed. It will be more likely to have higher intake temperatures. Closed systems, the boxes are completely closed. They pull air from the front of the air duct around the engine bay and outside of the car. That's cooler air. It's better for performance. Cooler air is denser, gives you more power. Which one is my preference would be the closed box. Which one is cheaper? Obviously the open one. Open ones aren't bad. They are gonna make more noise, which some people are looking for. You get more whooshy noises. The closed ones will make more noise than a factory one, but still not quite as much as the open ones. Is one gonna be better than the other one for performance? Yes, I think the closed ones are generally gonna be better just because intake air temps stay lower. Either one is a fine choice. Neither one's gonna damage your car or cause problems. And again, whooshy noises. And by the way, we made a video dynoing before and after an intake, which we will link in the description, that you can check out that video, which actually shows you dyno numbers before and after intake. Buy one from us, shoptab.com. Shop for all your intake needs.